If you are a coach or somebody with a business online right now, there is a good mine of opportunity that you have not been tapping into, and I want to show you how to go about this. It's gonna be like the best option for you, especially if you have a product that you need to sell right now online. And I'm gonna walk you through this in a very simple manner that it will literally be a game changer for your business. Now, there are 3 ways that you can go with your marketing if you have a product right now. Let's say you are selling something, be it a digital product or a physical product. You literally have 3 options right now on what you can do. What are we going to be looking at is the first option is if you have a product, you need to be able to put those products out there by what we call organic content marketing. And when we are talking about organic content marketing, we are talking about one very important way. You see, in organic content marketing, one of the most popular ways to have this done in this organic marketing is usually through the social media, right? This is social media. Then option number 2, still an organic marketing. Option number 2 is actually through collaboration. See, you need to understand that collaboration is so important. Collaboration. So how do you get this done? This is so powerful. You go and collaborate with people. They might not be in the same niche with you, but they are targeting the same audience as you. So you guys are targeting the same type of audience. So you collaborate with them. This can be an influencer or anyone at all with a huge following. Collaborate with them. You can offer them certain kind of discount so that they can share your product with their audience. And that will be like an additional feature to their own audience without taking them off topic, right? But their audience will still benefit from it and you will make your money from these guys. Then another way that you can actually go on this same type of marketing is through what we call blogging, right? So through blogging, or alternatively, you can go with vlogging. Vlog. Now, vlog are the normal videos you do, the everyday videos that you see people do on social media platforms where you see them, they talk about their daily activities, what they are doing and how they are doing. While for the blogging is you just generating content, and you can literally do this by generating content with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can generate a lot of content for you that you can use for this. Now, another very powerful method that you can drive traffic right now to your business online, and this method is through paid traffic. Now, how do we handle paid traffic? When it comes to paid traffic, there are things here that you need to look into. So in paid traffic, you need to think about 2 options. Option number 1 usually is the king of paid traffic, which is Facebook. Then option number 2 will obviously be Google, right? Where you can use your Google ads. Google ads, very powerful. Now, but one thing about Facebook and Google ads, the difference is that when it comes to Facebook, on Facebook, you are getting people who are not actually looking for your product, right? They are just scrolling on the internet. They are just scrolling, not that they are looking for this particular product, but eventually you need to now stop them and grab their attention. This is the currency here. The name of the game on Facebook is attention. What can you put out there that can get somebody that is scrolling Facebook, enjoying the content of other entertainers, to get them to stop so that they can patronize you, so that they can be interested in what you are doing, or they can see it and say, I remember I'm interested in this thing, so they can now go for you. And meanwhile, when it comes to Google, the game is different entirely. On Google, you have people who have what we call intent. These guys, they are interested in buying from day one, right? That is why they head on to Google in the first place, to go and check on Google if what they are looking for is there. So the intent is high. They are intentional and they know what they are looking for, and they head on to Google. That is the reason why Google is somehow expensive, because you have high quality buyers, right? You have people who are really interested in what you have. When it comes to Google, these guys are very much interested. But on Facebook, they might not necessarily be interested, right? So the type of customer we have on Facebook, we call them impulse buyers. They're not prepared for what they see, but when they see it, they buy, right? So it's something that maybe they've been looking for it, they've been checking for it online, and they're not really seeing a good deal. So when they saw your advert, they discover that your advert is a good deal for them. They now decide to go for your own, because now you've got a good deal for them, and now they want to buy from you. That is the whole idea around Facebook and Google. So here we have people who are impulse buyers. They are scrolling on social media platform, right? What they are paying attention for is attention. The goal here is attention. Meanwhile, when we go to Google, it's a different ballgame entirely. People on Google, it's not by mistake, right? They know what they were looking for from the get-go. Their goal is they want to buy. They have high intent, and now they are interested in your product. Though it's expensive, you get to have a high quality leads. People are interested in buying what you have when you tend to use Google traffic. And that is different between Google and Facebook. Now, the third aspect of what you can do right now to drive lead to yourself, which is not what we are really conversant with here in Africa, there is what we call cold traffic. Now, this traffic, they don't even know you at all, right? They don't even know you. They've never heard about you. They don't know about your product. They are not even interested, right? So, but again, you use certain methods to be able to get them. That's what we call scraping. So here, what you want to do is you want to scrape contacts of people that you think might be interested in what you have to offer. And there are different ways to go about scraping. One platform you can use to scrape contacts of people who might be interested in your product is LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn gives you this opportunity using their proprietary tool for you to actually scrape contacts of people you think are going to be interested in your product and services, right? Contact of people that are going to be interested in your service or your product, so that you can now do what we call a cold outreach. And when you're having a cold outreach, there are tools that you can use to get this done. One of such tools is called Apollo. If you're in Nigeria, I'm sure you're not used to tools like this. So Apollo is one thing you can use. Another option is you can actually create your own scraping tool, right? Just the way I created my own scraping tool to be able to scrape the information and details that I need of public data on the internet. So this second method is very, very good, lucrative, low cost, but again, it requires some skills. It requires technical skills. You need to be technical for you to actually embark on this particular method, right? Technical skill is required here. As a beginner, what is the best option for you? Certainly, I will not advise you to go for option number 2, which is paid ad, or option number 3. Option number 1 is going to be the best for you as a beginner. But the big question is this: how do you go about executing option number 1 effectively? That is why I created a video step by step on how you can start selling your product as a beginner online. Go and watch this video right now and see you in the next one.